Okay, next concept, relation between linear velocity and angular velocity. So linear velocity will be denoted with v and angular velocity denoted with omega. Okay, this is pronounced as omega, right? So let's consider an object which is moving in a circular path of radius small r. Okay, so when it is moving in a circular path of radius small r, let theta be the angle. So let's consider this point A to move. When it is moving in its path, let's consider the point B. At this point it is making an angle theta with the surface. So at that time it has covered some distance from here to here. So that distance is some s, just consider s. So theta equal to that arc length by radius. Arc length is s, what we have considered here, this arc. Okay, so from this s equal to theta into r. Is the radius is going to change? No. Is the path length will be changes? Yes, when theta changes. So let's consider it goes to this point C. Then here the angle is delta theta. So then here it is delta s. So delta s is equal to delta theta into r. Okay, right. So now what is the angular velocity at the point? Angular velocity omega equal to d theta by dt. This is the formula, right? Angular velocity equal to d theta by dt. So this is also nothing but limit delta t tends to 0 delta theta by delta t. Okay, this is the one which has written as simply omega equal to d theta by dt, right? Fine. So now at a particular instant, what will be the velocity? V equal to limit instantaneous speed or instantaneous velocity, limit delta t tends to 0 delta s by delta t. So from this linear velocity v equal to, so how this total will be written as? This will be written as simply ds by dt. Change in displacement with respect to the time. Okay, so here this delta s, what is the delta s? Delta is nothing but delta theta into r. So limit delta t tends to 0 delta s is nothing but delta theta into r by delta t. Here which is going to change? Delta theta. So r will be same. So v equal to r into limit delta t tends to 0 delta theta by delta t. So how this total term will be written as? R into d theta by dt. So d theta by dt is nothing but omega. So v equal to r omega. Okay, so this is the relation. Velocity is a vector, so this will be written as v bar equal to r bar cross omega bar. Okay, generally this will be written as v bar equal to omega bar cross r bar. This is the correct notation of angular velocity and linear velocity difference. Okay, relation between linear velocity, angular velocity and radius.